Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I am going to unbox motor and regulator for sewing machine. This sewing machine equipped with butterfly motor, but I can't find it for this price range. So I ordered this motor. And I also got regulator, belt and extra brush, which is good thing. And yeah, the motor comes with mounting, so we can directly fit with one bolt. Talking about the motor, its looks and quality seems premium, and also it is 50 watts motor, but I don't feel any speed lost or struggling. Do its job, which is good. These machines come with 100 watts butterfly motor, but the weight and its body quality is not good as compared with this replacing motor. The connector design is bad and they didn't secure the connector pin, and also the regulator is very bad and low quality when compared with butterfly regulator. If you accidentally press the regulator and touch on the connector, and you will get a nice shock, and yeah, it can kill you. Also, when I test this regulator, it is like a 2 switch. When you press low, it activates switch 1 and current flow through a diode, so the voltage decreases and motor run at low speed. When pressed fully, then both switch turn on and current flow directly without any resistance, so the motor get full 230 volt and work max speed. But when I check the butterfly regulator, it is not like 2 speed, it is like more than 2. We can control the motor speed by how much hard we press, but I didn't took it part because it is not a screw holding the case, it is like a latch. So if I try opening, then I think the regulator will bend, so I didn't open it, but I test with multimeter. Then I realize it is not just a 2 speed, it can control more than 2. You can see this regulator come with 3 pin, but when I check the ground wire is missing. So the 3 pin is just for support the socket. It is ungrounded and it can save from electric shocks. Always use footwear when operating, but butterfly regulator is also come with 2 pin and ungrounded, but I hope they will insulate it than this cheap regulator. Only problem with the regulator and connector, but motor is perfectly fitted and will show you a test run. I don't use this cheap regulator, so I will make some modification to the motor connector without cutting its wire, so I can use butterfly regulator. I will upload another video modifying the connector and fitting the motor in sewing machine. So if your motor and regulator damaged, better to go for another brand or try repairing it than replacing this regulator. You can also repair the motor. Most of the case motor stop working because of worn brush, so replacing it then the motor will start working. In my case, the motor bearing is damaged and in my area I can find it. Always try to use your branded product by repairing. If it has only minor problem and can fix it easily at low cost than using like this low quality product. But in my case I only need motor and it's good.